Welcome, dessert lovers. Today, we're making Kuih Kaswi, the dessert that's more fun to eat than it is to pronounce. Kuih Kaswi is a Malay favorite that's chewy, sweet, and covered in coconut. Let's gather our ingredients. Ingredients: A. Plain flour, tapioca flour, water, salt, alkaline water.
Alkaline water is water that has a higher pH level than regular drinking water, typically above 7. Using alkaline water in desserts can lead to a lighter, fluffier texture.
Ingredients: B. Palm sugar or gula melaka, Muscavado sugar, pandan leaves, water and
Gula melaka is a traditional unrefined sugar made from the sap of palm trees, particularly the coconut or sugar palm. It adds sweetness with a deep caramel-like taste. Muscavado sugar is an unrefined cane sugar known for its rich flavor and moist texture. It gives a deep caramel-like taste with hints of toffee.
Ingredients: C. Freshly grated coconut, pinch of salt. First, let's start with ingredient B. Palm sugar syrup. It's the heart and soul of our Kuih Kaswi. Melt the palm sugar with water. Add the pandan leaves. The aroma is amazing. Stir until it's smooth. Now for ingredient A, the flour mixture. This is where the magic happens. Mix plain flour and tapioca flour, water, salt, and alkaline water. Add ingredient A and B together. Mix until smooth. Grease and pour the batter into small molds. Traditional ones are nice, but any small cup will do. Now, we steam these little cups of joy. Steam for about 15 minutes. Soon, the sweet, caramel-like aroma will fill your kitchen. And voila! They're done when they're shiny on top and have a slight jiggle. Let them cool a bit, then gently remove from the molds.
You can also choose a nice pattern mold cup dough, make a pretty Kuih Kaswi.
Now for the final touch, the coconut coating. It's like giving each piece a warm, tropical hug. Sprinkle over each piece freshly grated coconut. Chewy, sweet, with a hint of caramel and coconut. And there you have it, Kuih Kaswi, a treat that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Give these a try, and you might just find your new favorite dessert. Until next time, happy cooking and even happier eating. Don't forget to subscribe or join Dessert Club membership for more video recipes.